Okay, now exercise 7.1 we are discussing. First question, let us see the application of fundamental principle of counting. Alright, very easy to understand. The first question is this. I want to form a 3-digit number using given number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to form a 3-digit number using a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many possibilities, how many outcomes are there? Alright, here. Now, the first condition is this. The repetition of digit is allowed. You can repeat the digit. Means 5 you can write down 5, 5, 5 3 times, or you may write down 5 2 times. Any number. Alright, say 4, 4, 4, 4 3 times because it is a 3 number. Or 4, 4, 1, 4 is 2 times and so on. Now here I want to form a 3-digit number. Remember here we have to write down all the possible outcomes. So 1, 2, 3. When you see the 3-digit number, we have 3 places: unit, 10 and 100. Alright? Suppose I am starting from unit place, means from the last one. Then how many possibilities are there? In how many ways I can fill up this place? Alright? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are there. So I can put any number from 1 to 5. Say 1, you may put 1, you may put 2, you may put 3 and so on. So this is one possibility. Then I am coming to the middle one, that is a 10th place. Now since repetition is allowed, once again you can select any number from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose you are putting 1 over here in the beginning, then once again 1 is allowed. So for the 10th place also I have 5 choices, 5 possibilities, 5 outcomes. So 5. And finally for first place, for the 100, same thing. You can select any one number here. Now according to the fundamental principle of counting, if first event is occurring in 5-way, second is also 5-way, third is also in 5-way, then total outcome will be 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. Oh. So you can see how simple and how easy it is. Okay. Now little bit different question, same one. I want to form a 3-digit number, but this time I am restrict something, means some restriction I am putting, and that is repetition is not allowed. Then never mind, if repetition is not allowed, means what? I want to form a 3-digit number. This time repetition is not allowed. Suppose for unit place I am starting, then I have a 1 to 5 number. So for unit place I have 5 choices. I have 5 choices. Suppose in case I am choosing say 4 over here. Alright? Suppose 4 number I am selecting over here. Then now for the next place, remember since repetition is not allowed, I cannot select 4. So now I have only 4 choices. That is a 4. Suppose I am putting 3 over here, or suppose let me put 1 over here. Alright, then for the 100, now I have 1, 2 and 3 choices only. So according to the fundamental principle of counting, first event is occurring in 5-way, second event is occurring in 4-way because 1 is less, and third is occurring in 3-way. So total number of ways are 60. Remember, this is a number and this is a number of outcomes. In how many ways you can select. These are not a number. This is just in how many ways I can put a number. I can select a number. I can choose a number. For unit place 5, 10 place 100 place 3. May be possible. Sir, can we start from here? No problem. For 100, you may write down 5 or 8. Then you can go to 10 place. Great. Means the order is not important. You can start from anywhere. Okay. Question number 2. 3-digit number once again. But this time, I want to take care. Whatever number you are preparing, it should be a only even number. It should be a only even number. Alright? Now let us see. Remember, the question will be almost same. Only a little bit of change. And then you will be able to solve the question. Let us see what. I want to form a 3-digit number. The number given are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let us see in how many ways it is possible. Remember, even number means which type of number, that you should know first. Whenever you see any number, or if you want to check whether that number is even number or not, very simple, the last digit should be divisible by 2. Last digit should be divisible by 2. This is the key to find out an even number. Say 42, 44, 48, alright, 74, 94, 92. These are the number. Suppose here I want to form a 2-digit number. Then 1, 2, alright, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2. Just I am telling you few numbers. But like this we cannot count. It will take a lot of time. It may be possible one of the number we may miss. Then how these fundamental principles will help you? Let us see. Here, first I am choosing the last number, that is a unit place. Alright? Now, if you want to form an even number, then as you know and as I explained you, the last digit should be a even number. Last digit should be a even number. Now, how many even numbers are there? 2, 4, 6, 3 even numbers are there. Means for the unit place, you can select any one out of these 3. 1, 2 and 3. I cannot select all the numbers because I want an even number. So I have 3 choices for the unit place. That is 2, 4 and 6. Okay, so 3 choices. Then since repetition is allowed in this case, then no need to worry. For the 10th place, I can select any number from here. That is 6 choices I have. Then 100 also I have all the 6 choices. You can put all the 6. So according to the fundamental principle of counting, 6 into 6 into 3, that is 108. 108 numbers are there which are even number. Alright, using this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright? Okay. Now, little bit of change in the question. Say, if I say repetition is not allowed. Alright? Then please try to calculate. How to calculate it? Orally I will tell you, if repetition is not allowed, then here there is a 3 choice. The 10th place, I have to select one of the number 2, 4, 6. Then for the 10th place, you have how many choice? Then 100th place, how many choice you have? That you have to think. Alright? That you have to think and tell me. Alright? Okay. That's 7.1. Question number 3. In how many ways 4-letter code can be formed using 10 letters? Now, you have to use the first 10 letters of the alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, whatever it is. Alright? Now, see here, 1, 2, 3 and 4 letters I want to form. Remember, once again, repetition is not allowed. Okay, so you can start from anywhere. Suppose we are starting from the first place. For the first place, you have a 10 choice. You can select any one letter out of 10. Suppose you are selecting G. Alright, suppose you are selecting G. Now for the next place, you have a 9 choice because repetition is not allowed. So 10, then 9, then for the next place, you have a 8 choices, then 7. So total number of possibility or total number of, and how many way you can select 4 code using the 10 alphabet, that is 10 into 9 into 8 into 7, that is 5040 by FPM, means fundamental principle of counting. Alright? Okay, then next one, a 5-digit telephone number I want to form or I want to construct using 0 to 9 number. But now the condition is this: number should be start with 67. Number should be start with 67, and repetition is not allowed. Okay, so first of all, this is fixed. First digit is fixed, that I will not change. Now 1, 2 and 3 means third place, fourth place and fifth place you have to fill up. Remember 0 to 9 number I have, but now I cannot use 67. 6 and 7 because 6 and 7 I already used over here. Means from the remaining out of 10, now the remaining is only 8. Out of 8 digits you have to form a number. So for the third place, how many choices you have? You have 8 choices. Since repetition is not allowed, for the next place, for the fourth place, you have 7 choices. Then for the next you have 6 choices. I repeat, 67, that is fixed, out of 10. So now I have only 8 choice for the third place, and since repetition is not allowed, it will decrease every time. Okay. Then fifth question that you know very well, in the 10th standard you learn it. If you toss a coin, in the probability I am talking about, toss a coin 3 times, then how many outcomes are there? HT for the first case, second case also HT, and for the third case also HT. So here there are 2 possibilities, then 2 possibilities, then for the third one I have 2 possibilities. So total outcome will be 8. Total outcome will be 8. This is just to give you an information, not very important. Of course it is important from the point of view of probability.